Here is the second and last dream. This dream comes from section 10, part 5, letter S. And its call name is S10 5SND. And the month of June 4th, 2010, I recorded this dream inside my dream book. I dreamt that I was here at Halsey Street, and I see my oldest nephew come inside the ground floor area of this house here. Then I noticed that my nephew had blisters on his face, and there were blisters also behind his head. The next thing that happened in this dream was that I found myself partially standing on the roof of my home here, I believe at Halsey Street, or at my prior home at Asher Street. The next thing I took notice of in this dream was that I beheld the sun in the upper left-hand part of the sky, and also noticed the moon in the lower right-hand side of the sky. It was very nice out. Then I seen two, I believe, circular objects partially blocking out the sun and the moon simultaneously. I then yelled down into the house and asked anyone in my home, do they know about a coming eclipse, or do they know about coming eclipses? No one did not answer my question. So then I took my eyes back on the sun and the moon and the objects that were partially eclipsing the sun and the moon. But this time around, did not see these strange objects pass the sun and the moon. Next thing that took place was that I seen on the upper left hand side of the sun black silk. It appeared to me actually that the upper left hand side of the sun exploded black silt or black material off its surface, or something could have collided into the sun like a planet, and the sun reacted to the collision. Anyhow, after observing the black silt or whatever the items were that were being ejected from the upper left hand side of the sun, after that event, the air or the sky above rippled. Then I seen meteors falling from the sky and people running all over the place. And I woke up from the dream. Anyhow, I have two drawings of what I seen while I was partially on the roof, meaning that my upper part was on the roof while my legs were still on the ladder, which, you know, was in the house. Anyhow, this is what I seen. The sun up here and the moon down here. It appeared that the moon was maybe a half a moon, I'm not really sure, but like I said, it was a nice day out. Then I seen something come in front of the sun, and also in front, nearly in front of the sun and nearly in front of the moon. And then the sun ejected some black stuff off its upper left hand surface. Here is section 9, part 5, letter P, second and last sign. In the month of December 21st, 2010, I believe a sign 2, S10, 5SND. Comic fulfillment was presented to me when, once again, I've gone to the truthbehindthescene.com website, and I came across a picture of two Earth-like size spheres near the sun. Now let's speed up to present. Today is June 3rd, 2011. June, I believe, the 2nd or June 1st, I came upon a YouTube video, which actually was June 2nd, a YouTube video which showed the same two Earth-like orbs or spheres by the sun, and this particular video also shows other spheres, strange bodies, planet-sized bodies around the sun, and also, in addition, some of these things around the sun appear to look like UFOs. And the title of this YouTube clip is called Breaking News. NASA finds strange objects around our sun, part 2 of 2. This video, which I just mentioned its name, I will show you guys this particular video. Okay, I want to show you pictures of two Earth-sized planets that appeared in front of our sun. These two Earth-sized planets were videotaped by a satellite called SOHO, SOHO is spelled, or abbreviation of SOHO. Okay, let me zoom in best I can. Okay, I will say this is picture 1. Same picture, I think different time of the objects towards the sun. Okay, there's two more, the same, I believe, two objects. I'm gonna show the whole video. I think the video is only 2 minutes, or maybe 3 minutes. The date that these things were videotaped is 2010, January 25. So there are veins circling our sun, foreign, strange, spherical objects, as well as very big, unidentifiable flying objects. The next letter in Parrish signs to coming fulfillment will be the letter S.